A recent MIT study found that AI-assisted writing tools reduce documentation time by up to 75%, freeing up engineers for higher value work. Similarly, a team of researchers at the University of Central Florida studied engineers, scientists, and product managers' documentation work in Narratize, ChatGPT, and without any AI at all. What they found was pretty remarkable. Innovators using Narratize were successful generating strong documentation that passed leadership reviews 84% of the time, while those who used generic AI like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot were only as successful as those who used no AI at all. In other words, they were 30% successful. Here's what I think is even more fascinating. The Narratize users spent a little more time on their documentation than those using ChatGPT or Copilot. However, not only were they more successful with Narratize, users said the time they spent was focused on deeply thinking about their innovative work. As a narrative scientist, I was trained that rhetoric and writing is a form of thinking. If we replace the process of writing, in many ways, we risk replacing the work of thinking. With Narratize, we designed our AI with this in mind. We designed it to prompt our users to ask them helpful, meaningful questions to guide the product development decision-making process. Narratize prompts you answer it, and documentation from pitches to requirements to business cases are automatically generated. The user then can review it. And I just want to double down on how important it is to not take the thinking work out of AI-enabled workflows. Too many people just want AI to automate everything and replace human thought. We are designing in a different way, and the result is not just more success in terms of what's getting into the stage gate review process, but it's also more success in terms of teams spending time on the thing they're meant to be spending time on, which is innovation. So even though users spend a little more time in Narratize, it was time utilized on the best possible focus area, the new product concept itself, and its best way to succeed in the market.